How to connect your Instagram and Facebook accounts together. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can link your Facebook and Instagram applications together. So in order to start, you can open either of them. I'll be going with Facebook, and then once you are inside the Facebook, you will probably be in your home tab. So from here you will need to click onto these three lines present at the top right corner of the screen, and then from here simply click onto the settings gear icon at the top. Now inside settings and privacy, you have the Meta Account Center right here. So simply choose Meta Account Center and the Meta Account Center will pop up. Now from the Meta Account Center, you will need to scroll down at the bottom and choose accounts. And then from here, you can click onto this add accounts option. And once you click onto add account, it will fetch the particular Instagram account that you have linked with your email ID. Since I have my Facebook and Instagram account linked with the same ID, I can easily connect them, and then I will need to click on to continue. Now from here, since there is a discrepancy in the date of birth, I will need to choose the correct date of birth and click on to continue. Then from here it says finish adding your accounts. You can click onto this allow and finish adding and it will be all done. So click on to allow and finish adding, and it will say that you will need to check your email and a code was sent. So simply type in the code and it's all done. So now after providing in the code, you need to click onto this continue option and just wait for the process to finish. And once the process will be finished, you can see that now both the accounts have been successfully linked. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.